Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to review assignments together in Miro. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to review assignments together in Miro, all you gotta do is simply go to Miro AI. Now, to review assignments together in Miro, you need to set up a shared board. You need to add the assignments and use collaboration tools like comments, mentions, and the presentation mode. You need to simply create a board, like go to the Miro dashboard and click on plus new board. You can use a template such as poster session template, which is designed specifically for a review or start from scratch. You can add assignments, like students can simply upload their work as images or documents, and if the student work on separate Miro boards, they can also copy all their content, like Control A or Command A, then Control C or Command C, and paste it onto the main review board. You can use frames to organize each assignment into its own section, making navigation easier. You can then invite collaborators and facilitate the review process. After this, you can manage your feedbacks and export the results. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.